9 out of 10 drivers have zero clue about damage they cause in winter. One mistake could destroy your vehicle before spring. You are probably doing 2 of them right now. Before spending thousands at the mechanic, here are 10 things killing your car in winter. Let us start with thing number 10. Driving with frozen windshield and wipers. Picture this. It is 6 in the morning, freezing, and your windshield is covered in ice. Most drivers turn on wipers immediately and drive while windows are frozen. That ice-covered windshield is destroying your car right now. When frozen wipers work against solid ice, rubber scrapes jagged particles. This is like running sandpaper across rubber. The blade deteriorates rapidly. Forcing wipers against ice strains the wiper motor. That costs $100 to $300 to replace. Repeated stress damages the wiper linkage and joints. The solution is simple. Let your car warm up for 3 to 5 minutes. Manually scrape ice with a plastic scraper. Your wipers will last longer and you stay safer. This next one is about catastrophic engine damage. Thing number 9. Cold starting and revving your engine hard. You jump in your freezing car and press the accelerator hard. Most drivers think this is normal. The truth is shocking. You are literally shortening your engine's lifespan. In winter, engine oil is extremely thick and sluggish. When you rev it hard, you force thick oil to circulate fast. This creates extreme friction between engine parts not properly lubricated. Pistons and bearings slam together without protection. That friction creates metal-on-metal contact, causing damage. This damage compounds over months and years. This is one of the most preventable causes of engine failure. After thousands of cold starts with harsh revving, your engine loses compression. It burns more fuel and eventually fails catastrophically. A complete engine rebuild costs $3,000 to $8,000. The correct approach is simple. Start your engine gently. Let it idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Allow the oil to warm up and circulate naturally. Then drive slowly for a few minutes with light load. Your engine will last thousands of miles longer. This next one affects your stopping power. Thing number 8. Neglecting brake fluid maintenance in winter. Most drivers never think about brake fluid until brakes fail. But winter is exactly when brake fluid becomes dangerous. Here is why. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from air. In winter, that moisture condenses inside your brake lines. When temperatures drop below freezing, water freezes at 32 degrees. Ice crystals block fluid flow inside your brake lines. This reduces your braking power when you need it most. As ice melts and refreezes repeatedly, corrosion forms inside brake lines. This corrosion weakens the entire system. It can lead to brake failure on icy roads. Contaminated brake fluid causes brake failures in thousands of vehicles every winter. You cannot see this damage happening. Your brakes feel fine until suddenly they are not. One moment of brake failure on a snowy highway could be catastrophic. The solution is getting your brake fluid professionally inspected. Have it replaced if contaminated. A professional brake fluid flush costs $100 to $200. Ignoring this could cost your life or thousands in repairs. This next one rusts your entire car from below. Thing number 7. Road salt destroying your undercarriage silently. Winter roads are salted to prevent ice buildup. This salt saves lives on snowy roads, but it is devastating to your vehicle. Road salt sticks to your undercarriage, wheels, and suspension components. Unlike surface rust you can see, this corrosion works invisibly beneath. The salt accelerates oxidation on bare metal. It eats through protective coatings and converts steel into rust. This rust spreads to critical components like brake lines and springs. Once rust starts, it spreads aggressively because salt keeps everything moist. By spring, hidden rust damage has doubled or tripled. By the time you notice rust problems, damage is often irreversible. Rusted brake lines fail without warning. Corroded suspension springs snap under stress. Frame rust weakens the entire structural integrity of your vehicle. Cars experiencing multiple harsh winters lose 50% of resale value. Luxury vehicles worth $40,000 become worth $20,000. The prevention is essential. Wash your car twice monthly during winter. Use a pressure hose to blast away salt from beneath. Apply undercoating protection in fall before winter begins. These steps cost less than $200 but prevent thousands in damage. This next one destroys your tire lifespan. Thing number 6. Running summer tires below 45 degrees. Many drivers keep summer tires on cars into early winter. This is incredibly dangerous and destructive. Rubber compounds in summer tires are designed for warm temperatures. When temperatures drop below 45 degrees, rubber becomes hard and brittle. Hard, brittle tires lose traction on snow and ice. This is why winter accidents spike with summer tires. Summer tires wear much faster in winter. The brittle rubber is prone to cracking and damage. Hitting a pothole with cold summer tires causes severe damage. The tread wears unevenly because the tire cannot flex properly. Winter tires have different rubber compounds that stay flexible in cold. They grip ice and snow far better. And they last significantly longer in their temperature range. If you drive in winter, switching to winter tires is non-negotiable. The cost of a good winter tire set is $300 to $600. Ignoring this and replacing summer tires prematurely costs over $1,000. This next one freezes your windshield washer system. Thing number 5. Using regular water in windshield washer fluid. You are driving on a winter highway and your windshield gets dirty. You press the washer button expecting clean windows. Instead, water sprays out and immediately freezes on your windshield. But the danger inside your vehicle is far worse. When you use regular water or summer washer fluid in freezing, it freezes solid. As the fluid freezes, it expands and can crack the plastic reservoir. The frozen fluid also clogs your washer pump and spray nozzles. You are driving with reduced visibility and no cleaning ability. This is dangerous on icy roads. If ice damage cracks your reservoir, replacement costs $150 to $300. Your washer pump can burn out trying to push frozen fluid. Winter windshield washer fluid contains antifreeze agents. These prevent freezing in temperatures down to -20 or -30 degrees. The cost difference between water and proper winter washer fluid is minimal. Using the correct fluid prevents hundreds in damage. This next one affects your braking power. Thing number 4. Weak or dying batteries in freezing cold. Your car battery is already struggling in winter. Cold temperatures reduce chemical reactions inside the battery. This decreases its cranking power by approximately 50%. If your battery was weak in fall, winter exposes this weakness. A weak battery cannot deliver enough power to start a cold engine. You turn the key and hear a slow clicking sound. This clicking means your battery is desperately trying but failing. Most drivers panic and keep turning the key repeatedly. Each failed start attempt drains more battery power. It generates heat that damages the internal battery chemistry. After 3 or 4 failed starts, a marginal battery becomes completely dead. Repeated failed starts strain your starter motor and burn it out. A new starter costs $400 to $800. Your battery needs replacement too, costing $150 to $300. All of this could have been prevented by testing your battery in fall. A professional battery test costs nothing and takes 5 minutes. If your battery is over 3 to 5 years old, replace it in fall. This is one of the cheapest preventive maintenance actions. It saves you thousands in damage and towing charges. This next one silently corrodes critical components. Thing number 3. Incorrect engine oil viscosity in winter. Most drivers use the same oil year-round, without considering temperature changes. This causes slow, invisible damage to your engine. Engine oil has a viscosity rating like 5W30 or 10W40. A lower number means thinner oil that flows better when cold. Using oil with too high a cold weather rating is bad. Oil flows slowly through your engine on freezing mornings. Thick, slow-moving oil cannot reach all engine parts quickly. It leaves them unlubricated during critical startup. This unlubricated metal-on-metal contact causes accelerated wear. Over a winter season with cold temperature oil, your engine accumulates damage. Your engine loses compression gradually and fuel economy drops noticeably. Eventually, your engine requires expensive rebuilding or replacement. Additionally, thick oil increases drag on your starter. Your car becomes harder to start. You strain the battery with multiple start attempts. Check your vehicle manual for the correct oil grade. Most modern cars use 5W30 or 0W40 in winter. This lighter oil provides essential protection during the coldest months. This next one is absolutely devastating to brake safety. Thing number 2, not protecting your brakes from salt and corrosion. Your brakes are under constant attack during winter. Road salt, moisture, and temperature swings damage them. Most drivers never think about their brakes until they fail, but winter is exactly when brake system corrosion accelerates. Road salt and moisture splash onto your brake components constantly. Moisture sits on rotors, calipers, and brake pads throughout winter. When temperatures freeze and thaw repeatedly, rust forms. Rust spreads to your brake rotors and calipers. Excessive rust on brake rotors causes pitting. This wears the surface rough and damaged. Rust particles contaminate your brake pads. They reduce their effectiveness. Your brakes develop squealing and squeaking sounds. More dangerous, your braking power decreases noticeably. Your parking brake becomes difficult to engage or release. Eventually, corroded brake lines can develop leaks. This causes partial or complete brake failure. Brake system repairs from salt corrosion range from $500 to $2,000. Wash your car frequently during winter and apply protective coatings in fall. Have your brakes inspected before winter and clean salt after storms. These preventive steps cost less than $100, but prevent thousands in damage. This next one is the ultimate winter killer. Thing number 1, not testing and replacing your battery before winter. Your battery is the foundation of everything in winter. Without it, nothing works. Winter demands maximum battery power for starting a cold engine. Simultaneously, winter increases electrical system load. Heated seats, rear window defrosting, headlights, and cabin heaters. Your battery faces triple pressure simultaneously. It must deliver peak power for cold starts and power all these additional systems. If your battery is even slightly weak, winter pushes it to failure. Winter cold reduces battery efficiency by 50% naturally. A failed battery strands you in dangerous conditions. Emergency roadside assistance costs $100 to $300. Towing costs additional hundreds. In worst cases, a failed battery leaves you stranded in freezing. This creates genuine health risks. Have your battery professionally tested before winter. If it shows weakness or is over 3 years old, replace it. Check all battery terminals for corrosion and clean them. Ensure your alternator is charging properly. Get a professional voltage test. These preventive steps cost less than $200 total. Ignoring them costs thousands and creates serious safety risks. How many of these critical mistakes are you making right now? Drop a comment below and let me know which shocked you most. If this video saved you from expensive winter damage, hit subscribe. We make money-saving automotive content that gets straight to the point. Your wallet will thank you.